Truthfulness in contentment. The sign of this is when one is not impatient, nor do they desire a change irrespective of whatever situation they are in. They are content with what Allah, the Exalted, has chosen, knowing He only chooses the best for His servants. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you.
A true servant does not know what decision is better for them, so they instead rely on the choice of Allah, the Exalted. This level is higher than patience, as a patient person might desire a situation to change and even supplicates for it, but does not complain in any situation. When a Muslim is truthful in their love for Allah, the Exalted, then they surrender to the will of Allah, the Exalted, without resistance. Being suspicious over destiny leaves them, and they become content with whatever Allah, the Exalted, has chosen. The following verse clearly indicates that a Muslim will not gain the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, until they are pleased with Him first. Chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verse 28.
Return to your Lord well pleased and pleasing to Him.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.